You know what I mean? We're going to get into the Forex market and stuff. We're going to get into the Forex market. I got a little roach I was smoking earlier and playing Call of Duty and was like, oh shit, I forgot I got to do the Sunday live. So once I'm done with this, I'm back on the Call of Duty. You know the vibes, you feel me? Let's go. Hey, in the chat right now, we're going to turn this bitch up. So in the chat right now, right? Let me know where y'all from in the chat right now. Let me know where y'all from in the chat right now. I'm about to get the music banging. Then we're going to get these charts going. We're going to start off talking about the dollar, right? You know we got NFP coming up this week. So definitely you want to be tuned in. You want to be tapped in. Also, let me know in the chat if you trade NFP as well. You dig?
Woo! Shit. Top feels so much better than the bottom, baby. So niggas how I'm living, you know what I'm saying? From the hood to living good. Young and paid with a maid, fuck it. Woo! It's that lifestyle difference, you see the difference, nigga. Everybody listen, I tell them listen.
Shit going up, you feel me?
Now we off that Forex, we own it. I don't trap, I trade, baby, I'm on it. Look, so let's really talk dividends. The big dogs move the mortars in.
Where you guys from the chat? You say you stay away from NFP? For sure, for sure, for sure. What's up, Nar? Shout out you on the first comments here. We got the charts already ready to go. You feel me? So we're gonna tap into that in a second as well.
Found some monthlies that hit, found some annual flips and some quarterly kicks, moving cake like packs. Oh, okay, the grass is greener where you water it, so I watered it. Had to get my crypto miners busted, then I followed it. Got my eyes set on a pair, and then I targeted, locked it in. Profit margin set, then I talk my shit, and now I'm barging in. Forex on my face, better take that trip.
What up? What up? What up? What up? What up? So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hit this motherfucking loud pack real quick. Loud pappy, move it. So DXY. We've been seeing this shit just drop. Dollar price has been low. Interest rates have been low, right? And people have been enjoying that in multiple markets, especially the real estate market, right? What's dope. Now, this little shadow box or box, right, that I use, you call it whatever you want to call it. I just, on TradingView, it's called a rectangle. So you can use this rectangle to mark stuff, right? So I can use this rectangle to pretty much show where a lot of consolidation is. So consolidation is just sitting here, chilling here. Price really hasn't broke out yet. All month long, shit, for the past 3 months, price has just been going down. Dollar has been toppling to the downside, right? So we have NFP this week. And we do see that dollar is in that demand zone. Now, if you don't know anything about supply and demand zones, there's hella videos about that. But beyond the supply and demand zone, you just got simple support and resistance. All right. So if you do support and resistance and actually use a rectangle, then it becomes a demand zone. It's so funny. You know what I mean? But super simple, right? Super simple. So a lot of people confuse this type of stuff, but you keep this stuff simple and you're going to get right to the point. You dig? Do I expect the dollar to keep trying to push out of here? As you can see, we do keep getting pushes out of here. Dollar keeps trying to push itself up and it's trying to get up to this 90.805 area. It may even try to retest that 90 what, right? Who says that's this week? We have this huge pin bar right here, right after price has already kind of shot up and hit this little resistance zone. So if you wanted to play your little support and resistance game right here, this would be a good area to play right here, right? This is on the daily. So it's gonna play the zone until it breaks out. And that's just what it's gonna do. All right. Trade man, yeah, that's me. Hey, smash the like button, smash the like button, smash the like button. So Ty, what do you feel the market's gonna do? Be in consolidation until it breaks out. So if this is what the play is, pin bar, everything kind of lining up, could we get a weak dollar this week and end up going back to 89? Just off of simple technicals, off some basics. Shit, well, let's see, right? You can't really be like, oh, it's going up or it's going down. We got price in the demand zone. We already know that. And I'm doing it one more time for the newcomers here. We got price in the demand zone. And then inside of that demand zone, it's like price is kind of stuck in consolidation in that zone. Well, you can't say it's going up or down until it breaks out. So what we're going to do is have to play the zone until it's not inside the zone. Super simple. All right, so moving on. Going to gold. All right. Gold is pushing. If we get the dollar bleeding out, gold will hit 1928 and then come down to retest 1901, right? Where gold is at right now. You can say that's you can say it's pushing to that supply. The field of supply is 1928. So we get weak dollar this week, then we'll have gold push up to 1928. Try to fill this supply. And once it hit 1928, you're gonna see a lot of people probably smack a bunch of sell limits and shit right there and be trying to fade that bitch down. That's a nice high price. So I definitely see gold continuing this week. I don't think it's gonna slow down. Right? You already see the trend. It's moving to the top side, so you literally see the fucking trend. Right? I know the line, right? So even without a line there, you should be able to see that trend. Shit, hopefully, Kobe, hopefully we'll go up, You said July 1st you're gonna become a full-time NAS 100 trader. Hey, keep it up, bro. Keep it up. What's up, Mark? What's good? Hey, gang. You said happy to see you back on YouTube. Say less, say less. Let's keep this chat popping though. Let's keep this chat popping though. Let's keep this chat popping though. We already had that Rolls Royce energy. What do you guys trade? What do you trade? What's your go-to Forex pair? Let me know right now. What's your go-to Forex pair? Let me know in the chat right now. We about to go up. I'm about to turn this energy up, baby. We need to get it popping in here. We're gonna get that. I'm just mad because I'm popping. You feel me? That shit be going up. And actually, I got a special feature, some real Long Beach shit. You feel me? So the west side and the east side of Long Beach coming together on this track. You feel me? I'm not gonna play the whole track, but I got a special feature, man. A very popular person on the east side of Long Beach. So you know, I'm popular on the west. You know, so we was like, yo, nigga, let's do something for the west and the east, and we came up with this joint. Well, I came up with the song. I sent the track over. I got an original version. I cleared the second verse and was like, dog, hop on this, fool. You feel me? Run it up. So it's about to be popping. You feel me? Long Beach really going up. It's really a city where, you know, we connecting. Shit, we doing it big out here in Long Beach. You feel me? But let me this gold right here. Let's slide back to that. All right. So next, us 30. Now this is the daily for 30. You got some harmonics working here. I feel like price could end up tapping 34. What is this? 34,839, right? 34,839. 34,839. That's a good area. What it's gonna do when it gets to this point, it could retest or it could blow right through that shit. But I feel like this week we're gonna get up here, right? We've been seeing shit the past few days. Price has really just been pushing, right? Okay, yeah, we have our spin and top on Friday. That was some indecision Friday. That's cool. That just means people are indecisive. They're like, fuck it, price been pushing up. We don't know what we wanted to do. Look where the price halted at, right? Play the same game. So you said Euro USD. Say less, say less, say less. That's your go-to. Run it up. What's up, Byro? Hey, fool, you see yourself in the video in the vlog joint? We got to do the GoPros on the hat though, because they was like, oh, we could only see this, so we got to do the GoPros on the hat when we paintball next time, bro. Feel me? And then y'all, hey, look. So if you want to come out and vibe, man, if you're in Cali or in the West, just come through. Like we got so many activities just planned and shit to do. You feel me? Like you would just have so much fun just vibing and being out there and experiencing life. You know what I'm saying? So come fuck with us. But we back to the charts. All right. So Nasdaq smoking on that gas crack. Let's get it. And see, I'm rotating through everything, so I'm hitting the indexes, and then we're gonna get into the currencies and stuff like that. So we get there for sure. Make sure you smack that like button, baby. Make sure you smack that like button, baby. All right. So we got some pin bars up here. So we're gonna get a pullback before a push. So what price could probably pull back to like 13,534. That's if the market don't open up and keep pushing. You feel me? So I'm looking at this off the daily. I'm like, yo, we can get a pullback to fight. Even lower one is like 13,510, somewhere around there. And you're like, well, why would you think that? I'm just thinking ocean waves. Like I'm playing the game. You feel me? I'm playing the game just like y'all. You feel me? So it's just like shit. Some people, you feel me, they want to sell it on the way down. Some people, they're like, yo, the price is too high. I'll wait for it to come down, and then when it comes down a little bit lower, then you try to buy it on the way back up. Like everybody got, you know, their own approach and way to they, you know, how they get to the bag in the market. I feel like my shit is just like melodic, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't mind waiting, so I'm already like, okay, shit, if it pull back, it'll probably pull back here. So that's why I said the 13,510. You feel me? Kiga Bybit. He said, "Do you just do Forex and stocks, or do you fuck with crypto?" I fuck with everything, bro. I be talking about a lot over here, bro. We speak about NFTs. You know, I speak about a lot of different subjects on my channel. Should I just go to Google sometime and just type shit in, and then boom, you know, make videos on just what's on Google? You feel me? So, I mean, you can see me do the research on the Google, like keep typing it in. So that's what it is. All right. So that's NAS. SPX5, same thing. We got a red count on Friday, but you like, what's it gonna do? What's it gonna do? Yeah. You see, I had to change time frames. All right, so we could get a potential tap at 41.84. You feel me? Maybe even lower. It could even come down to like 41.74. And you're like, well, why do you expect it to go low before it go high? It's just, that's an uptrend. Like higher highs and higher lows. You know what I mean? Super simple shit. You know what I mean? Super simple. We're not gonna confuse this thing. I mean, super simple. Remember the little worksheets when they used to have them on baby pips and shit? HH and HL, nigga. That's the HL. I'm waiting for the HL. If it's a higher high, it says just too damn high. Shit. From all the little investing books, you know what I'm saying? They tell you, shit, buy what? Buy low and then sell high. So then you're going to buy high? You feel me? Now, in Forex trading, yeah, if we get a breakout, then you got to adjust and you got to get popping in the game like that. But other than that, shit, man, you know? All right. That's done. Let's slide to GU. GU! It's the 4. You see that 4 in that consolidation, too. No, it's not. And it's super easy support and resistance, no cap. Play the zone until it breaks out. No, but seriously though, you feel me? Seriously, you said you can't hear us? I thought I had the microphone extra loud though. I thought I had the microphone loud. So can you hear me now? He said, "GU Ranger like a motherfucker." Facts. You know what I'm saying? So for the people who trade, right? For the people who trade, you guys already know, like, you know how to play the game. You feel me? So don't be in there trying to, you know, do the extras. Like, yes, we were going on an uptrend, and then market started to consolidate. The dollar started dying off again, you know? So if we get a push to the downside this week, like, the thing is, who knows? They might try to keep the market ranging until, you know, NFP Friday. And then, I mean, it's the only day for the, we're not going to say only day, but it's a day where a big ass move could happen, which would get us back trending, you know, as we could start trending, you know, coming into June and shit like that. And then June, July, August, you know how the game go, you know what I mean? Especially as they keep those the dollar rates low. I don't know if it's going to go lower. You feel me? I don't know if it's going to go lower per se. You feel me? I'm not a financial advisor. You know what I'm saying? So you might want to go talk to your financial advisor. And, you know, they might be able to tell you a little bit more about those interest rates, dollar being low and stuff like that. Just go get familiar with the investing period. I mean, that's what, if you're going to spend your bread, at least, you know, get familiar with what you're spending your bread with. That's what I would say, like, you know. So you get it cracking like that. Get it cracking like that. So that's GU. You're like, well, what I showed you what I seen on that. The range we have, it's 100 pip. Well, yeah, it's 100 pip range from top to bottom. So we get a breakout over, like, what is this? About 42,200, 42,300. That's about 30, 40 pips up. Then yeah, market gonna keep pushing. You feel me? It's the big ocean waves. We on the 4 hour right now. You know what I'm saying? We on the 4 hour right now, so it's cracking like that. But you got a big 100 pip range, like you see shit, and you like, well, I want to see how long, you know, this range lasts. So this right here is May 17th, right? Today is May 30th, so that's 13 days. So for 13 days, it's just been, you feel me? And I mean, until it's up out of here, that's what it's going to do. And that's what we got to wait for. So for 2 weeks, basically, it's been sitting in the range. So could it be range over 2 more weeks? IDK, like I said, you got a 100 pip range up for grabs. At the top of the range, if it's no break, you sell it down. Super simple support and resistance shit. If it's at the bottom of the range, you feel me, and it's not breaking, you buy the jit up. You know what I'm saying? Super simple support and resistance. All right. You said you only trade the 1 minute chart. That's dope. That's dope. Let me know what type of time frames do you guys trade. Let me know in the chat right now what type of time frames do you guys trade. Let me know. Let's turn this party up. Definitely smack that like button. Definitely smack that like button. You feel me? We're gonna get it popping one time for the one time. It's that part where you just vibe. You know what I'm saying? Just put your motherfucking hands up and just vibe. Let's get it, like. See, this that Long Beach shit. I'm gonna put you on my vibe real quick. Let's go.
Hold on, let's go up and stop.
stop. They just mad cause I'm poppin'. Mad cause I'm poppin'.
And we about to come into the verse like this, look.
I be everyday fresh on my everyday jets. I be drippy. This is just an everyday flex. Next to the fist, be my smile like Chris. Next to my grip, be my everyday stress. Next, I need me some everyday hit. So
Yeah, you hear the motherfucking beat smacking. See, that's that shit that's gonna make your car pick up off the ground while you driving. You, oh shit, you feel me? That's going to them right there. You feel me? So that's that music. That's what it's supposed to make you do. If you're not driving and bopping like that, then I mean, is it really? Are you really going up? You know what I'm saying? You know, we got that trade man too. Trade man, yeah, that's me. You know, we got that going up too. So we're gonna slide over to that Euro USD. Alright. So I mean, you can see the obvious uptrend on Euro USD. If you can't, then I'm gonna go ahead and I have to use this thing called a trend line. So if you guys don't know what a trend line is, it's literally a line that people use, right, to show either uptrends or downtrends. You know, with the trend line, if the market or let's say it's an uptrend and you show a trend line, you know, going to the top side. So every time it bounces off the trend line, it's considered like a high or low. You know what I mean? So technically, you just bouncing all the way up, like on the uptrend. Super simple. Like this shit, Forex ain't hard. But the thing is, see, I feel like your greed stop you from doing a lot. You know what I mean? You have to be able to control that greed. Can you really just sit on your hands? Could you really keep yourself busy and, you know, do other things while you let your money work for you? Like, we've been so conditioned to work for money. Can you condition yourself to let your money work for you? You feel me? But let's get it. So, you know, this is that obvious up. You know, first we're gonna point it out, right? Now I know we got other ones we can go closer, and then you'll see the same little taps right here. My bad, this shit's ugly. You'll see the same taps going along this way before it broke down. But I mean, boom, boom. So we're just gonna take that as a higher low and an uptrend. Dollar weak. If the dollar remain weak, then we keep going up and we gonna eat. You know what I'm saying? Super simple. If not, then shit. What's this? 100 pip range right here. If you want to wait 60 pips for it to break underneath, or wait for it to get under 665, you can short. So if you want to wait 30 pips, you feel me? Short under 30 pips, boom. That's like 121.665. You feel me? That's off the 4. That's when price open and it break. You feel me? Super simple. But I mean, I'm showing you where it go. If you just, you know, are patient, you should be able to eat. Let's say we get a, you know, price coming in to eat, you know, super early in the week, maybe a Sunday, open up and just start pushing. 122, 157. It's a nice little buy if you scalp it on like the 5-minute range. Once again, like I said, I ain't a financial advisor, but if you match your charts with my charts, that's why I feel like a lot of people come on here, they like matching charts, you know what I'm saying? So we match our charts together. If your shit look like mine, or we could find some sort of common ground, you know what I mean? That's what it is. You feel me? You said, am I a real trader? Oh no, I just get on here and I talk about Forex, right? That's like that one again. I'm a real boy, head ass. But so let's get it. So that's that Euro USD. But I mean, so these are my pairs, you know, and I pretty much rotated through all my pairs already. You feel me? So now it's your turn. So I, like you said, what do you have on your charts? Literally, you haven't seen me change this. This is what I like to look at. So that's what's there, right? But definitely now is the time where you can just, you know, shit. Tell me what you like, and then I'll go ahead and check it out and give you what I feel, my analysis on it. But like I said, if we had the same analysis, cool. But don't let me sway what you go in and see. You know what I'm saying? You do it for yourself, and then you mark it up and be like, okay, I see that, and you see it for yourself. That's how you're gonna be able to smack. You feel me? Let's see. You said pound New Zealand. Okay, 2 people said pound New Zealand. Say less. Say less. We're gonna turn some music back on because it's quiet. I think it sound like a library in this bitch. I'm gonna keep it a beam with you. Like, hold on, I'm about to fall asleep. All right, so we got some bullish action cracking over here. All right, you can see the obvious uptrend. It's an obvious trend to the top side, baby. Baby. Then I would have to consider this the false break, but still, it's a high that we can go hit. And that's one that I feel like is definitely headed to hit. So sooner or later, New Zealand gonna get up to like 195. What is this? 195 or 197? My bad. 197.856. It's like the top of here, so it's pushing off of this little, you know, higher low. Now, when you're reading shit off the daily like this too, it's not like you can just hop in. Oh, it's high, let me buy. Like, nah, it's gonna play that game. So most likely, right? Most likely, as soon as you hop in the game, the first thing that's gonna happen on like a Sunday or some shit when the market open is if this bitch is already green, it's gonna pull back. You feel me? And start, you know, pulling back a little bit so it can push forward. It's simple shit like the ocean. You know what I mean? So I always compare, you know, the markets to the ocean just because it's so repetitive in its nature. And like I said, when you could just be patient and let everything just, you know, flow, then you'll be able to eat. But I'm probably 1000% sure it's your patience and your greed that's killing you off in the game. How many times have you been profitable? How many times have you actually made money in the market? You know what I'm saying? If you can make money once, you can do it again. It's like playing basketball. If you can shoot the ball and hit the basket one time, well, you did something right. You feel me? You cat, say less. I mean, shit, you expect that to be dropping though. If you look at this pin bar, that pin bar basically price shot up, right? And then ended up coming back down. And then that's why you have that pin bar right here at this bottom as that last little joint. So technically bears already trying to eat away at it. Feel me? This trend is fucking obviously down. But you can see that though, so we just trying to get in trend. Ain't nobody trying to do nothing else but trade with the trend and get rich. Fuck you talking about? That's it. You feel me? Nobody trying to do nothing else in this market but trade with the trend and get rich. The thing is, I'm not gonna listen to what nobody talking about except trading with this trend and getting rich. You start listening to your own self and shit. You know what I'm saying? Once you start listening to yourself, that's when the problems start. You feel me? You start, yeah. Like, nah, nigga, start reading. Start reading. You feel me? Start reading. Reading is fundamental. They told you that. But straight up, so what I'm looking at also is the daily too. So don't be, oh man, this is a larger time frame. So don't, once again, like I said, when the market opened today, because it's Sunday, it's probably gonna open today, right? A little bit later. And the reason I said probably is because I know we got Memorial Day, so sometimes I don't keep all the way up to date with the holiday openings and stuff like that. I'll check if it's not open, and fuck it, we keep it moving, you know. But let's say you want to get in this and get in underneath one of these breaks or something. Go to like a 4 hour. Feel me? You can wait for it to break the full. So you can two ways. You can wait for it to break the full structure. Try to sell 50 pips down at like 22.51. You feel me? It's like underneath here somewhere, and then you'll be able to eat, feel me, all of this on the way down. I mean, which is a cool little trade too. You being patient, so you won't get caught in here. You know what I'm saying? And then you got your scalpers who gonna come in, and then they gonna come into the smaller time frames, and they gonna scalp that up. You feel me? So they gonna try to get up in there like 120, 524 if it's looking real bearish. You know what I'm saying? If it's looking bearish and look like, you feel me, they see some little bearish engulfings on the 5 or some little double tops or something popping on the 5 or 15, they're gonna get in there trying to eat with that, crack that a little bit early just to get in trend with, you know, with the trend that's already moving. All right, so let's slide though. Let's slide. You say you think it's trying to reverse. I mean, you already know, bro, when the market open, you expect the pullback for sure. Like, you know, sometimes I'm surprised when I see the shit pushing forward still, like, oh, okay, cool. Like, we just get in trend. But, you know, usually as soon as market open, me personally, I'm always expecting whoop, pull back and then push forward. Like, super simple. You know what I'm saying? We already did DXY at the start. What time frame do I trade the most? I like the 5. I often call it the FIFA. Hey, make sure you guys smack that like button too. So YouTube, what's dope about YouTube, right, is they love when y'all smack the FIFA. You need entry advice? I got a video dropping. They talk about fear. They talk about greed. They talk about, nigga, take the fucking shot and get your entries popping, because most of the time you, like, the thing is, you see and you know exactly when you should be entering. It's not the market holding you back, it's you. That's a hell of a conversation to have with yourself. You know what I mean? It's like, damn, I look in the mirror like, damn, shit. Have a me-to-me convo. Yo, me, I'm really holding me back. Like, yeah, you really holding you back. You know what I'm saying? So let's get it. Okay, I see people favor that GJ, so we gonna slide over there, hop on that GJ. And then I've been on here 30 minutes yet? Almost. So you know, I'm gonna do like my 30 and I'm gonna hop up off this joint. GJ pushing, you see where this is going? You feel me? Super simple. You got price. I mean, this shit is so simple. Man, man, look, boom, price going to consolidation, breaking out, boom, consolidation. So we, two things, you can either buy when price hit 156, 178, that's like 20 pips up, and then you still gonna be in trend. Feel me? That's off the 4. You still gonna be in trend with that as it keep moving, or you gonna end up shorting. And I say 40 pips, give it 40 just to make sure you don't want to get caught. So give it like 40 pips, let it fall, and really show you, okay, we're gonna really drop and retest. So what was that, like 155, 535, and then that bitch will probably retest like 140, 154, 832. You feel me? A lot of people gonna have buy limits right here, so they gonna try to boom, buy limit right here, and that bitch shoot up and keep moving. You feel me? So that's that. We in there, we out of there. What's next? Facts. Y'all fucking with that GJ. I see you. He said start a new video, 10 to 1,000 full video. You start another video, 10 to 1,000 full video. You said, have I done your USD? Yeah, I think that was like one of the 4th or 5th pairs I did. Yeah, Raven, we got that. EJ, it said 5 to 10,000. I don't care. I really don't personally give a fuck what nobody else is doing. And you probably like, man, I'm so lost in my own world. Like, man, I'm like a creative genius. Like, my mind be working, so I'm inspired by nature and shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know. So be like, oh, this person doing this got this one going on. Like, that's dope. Don't give a fuck. That got to do with me. Go comment that shit on this shit, nigga. Hey, we about to turn on that trade man though. And I'm gonna do one more pair before I get up out of here. So I'm gonna do one more pair before I get up out of here. You feel me? Got that lemon water. My girl put me on this shit. This that Just Water. You feel me? So that Just Water. They getting that free promo, but I fuck with it. You know what I'm saying? I fuck with it. So let's get it. So we doing one more pair, and I'm about to get up out of here for the day. Somebody said I just make noise and I teach nothing. You know, why do you watch me, bro? Imagine that. Imagine showing up to somebody live stream where you feel like they just making noise and teaching nothing, and then actually entertaining it and, you know, using your attention. Attention costs, bro. That's why everybody be fighting for attention. All these big ass companies fight for attention. This is how you spend yours. Like, I know it's, you know, videos online. There's probably like cows and chickens dancing and shit. That's, you know, more up your alley. I would go watch that if I was you. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Somebody said Bitcoin. Let's get it. We already did. I don't know if we already did Bitcoin, but we could do Bitcoin. We could do Bitcoin. Say less.
Keep your voice down in the house.
J-Man, come here, J-Man.
Keep your voice down.
Hey, everybody go stop
J-Man.
J-Man. Come back. Come back. J-Man, hurry up. Come back, J-Man. Mama, go get the J-Man, mama. That's
Come
J-Man
back,
out there.
J-Man.
That's
You know I
J-Man.
like
Go
that.
get a damn dollar out of my purse. Hurry up, go get the J-Man.
Trade man, yeah, that's me. Move, stump, watch my stairs. Lean, go and walk from the LBC. Cruise old school like the 213. Ay, trade man, yeah, that's me. Move, stump, watch my stairs. Lean, go and walk from the LBC. Cruise old school like the 213. Jump man like 2-3. Jump man, cake shit like Bruce Lee. Trade man, do shit digital green. Straw man pants, so it's digital wings. Flying through the net, I ain't touching the thing. Keep my hand clean, I ain't touching the cheese. Money just a number if you fucking with me. Keep imagineering, yeah, it's nothing to me. Ay, Monday, Tuesday, I'm Bobby Boucher. Wednesday, Thursday, I'm filming a movie. Friday, Saturday, cruising through Long Beach. Radio loud, listening to the oldies. Smoke in the air, probably blowing a doobie. Nene on the side, probably acting all moody. Ay, she just need it rough, baby, give me that Gucci. I be in the market all night, I'ma use it. Ay, trade man, yeah, that's me. Move, stump, watch my steps. Lean gon' walk from the LBC. Cruise old school like the 213. Ay, trade band, yeah, that's me. Move, stump, watch my steps. Lean gon' walk from the LBC. Cruise old school like the 213. 562 to the 310.
All right, say less. So let's get it. So Bitcoin. Bitcoin, look, this actually might be the lowest that we see Bitcoin in years. And let me tell you why. So I'm looking at it just from a larger standpoint. That's why we're on the monthly candle, right? You see this big ass drop in the monthly. You see prices come extremely low. But you know that a lot of people have adopted Bitcoin to their payment processors, you know what I mean, as a form of currency. So Bitcoin is worth its weight in gold, you know what I'm saying? You know, that was just a metaphor, so to speak. I don't want you to be like, oh, you said Bitcoin, like, that's a metaphor, all right? But like I said, so this might be the lowest we see in years. A lot of major companies and institutions are adopting the currency, so that means that the value will rise as we use it for transactions over time, right? You have Nas, he's a big investor inside of Coinbase, right? You know, so you see the hip hop industry pushing towards it. You got this new Forex wave of Forex rap, you know what I'm saying? Which I was the creator of, but it's pretty dope, you feel me? But you got this new wave of like Forex rap, Forex wave, and that's just the trading shit. Then it's gonna be like the trading rap. That's gonna be a wave, and you know, I mean, the value. Not just saying that the music, but see, people make music about the times, and the times are changing. So shit, 10 years ago we were making songs about jerking and dancing and shit like that. Now, like, people are not jerking, so they're not making songs about jerking. They making songs about doing whatever they do. So, you know, that's why you start hearing crypto and all of this shit inside the music. You know, that's it, music is deeper than that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm just using that as an example, right? But beyond that, we got companies that are adopting Bitcoin. You feel me? You got mining forums that are still popping up. So definitely prices, you know, getting back cracking. You said, do I think price is going back to 8,000? Well, I'm not sure, right? You see extremely red right now on the monthly. So we could come down to like 17. It's a possibility if it's to keep dropping, you know. That's if it's to keep dropping. Here's the week, but I mean, as you see, price kind of already came down this low consolidation zone or this low demand zone. So that's what it wanted to do anyway, is just bottom out and retest, and it's done that, right? So I mean, this week you could probably see a rise in Bitcoin. Start seeing a little bit of, you know what I'm saying, a little bit of a drop in the dollar. You feel me? Yeah, cool. You see a rise in Bitcoin. You feel me? So you said Coco. Oh yeah, that's dope, bro. You know, I've influenced a lot of people, man, to make a lot of this shit. I've been doing the Forex music since like maybe like 2012, 2013. You feel me? I probably changed my name like 7 different times, you know, so. Oh, you already know. Yeah, it's about to be a big party in June, man. It's about to be a hella big party in June. I got the album pretty much done as well, you feel me? So, you know, I got the album pretty much done as well. I think that's pretty dope, but I'm about to slide up out of here, right? He said I'm stoned as fuck. Facts. I'm about to slide up out of here, though. I've been on here for like 30 minutes. You know, I don't like to sit on here all day and look and talk about charts, because you don't have to. Forex is really, really simple. It doesn't require you to sit and look at fucking charts all day. If that's what you think it is, then you go get an analyst job at somebody's stock brokerage if you want to sit and look at fucking charts all day. If you're looking for freedom, if you're looking to have fun, if you're looking to enjoy your life, then yeah, trade Forex. Make your money on the side and then do something with it. You know what I'm saying? But it's your boy Ty. You already know I'm about to bounce. So if you guys want to see me, the fuck I'm about to be doing, I'm about to be on Call of Duty. I was playing Cold War. I was in League. We was running shit up. You feel me? So I was really coming off a team deathmatch. I was coming off a team deathmatch before I hopped on YouTube. Like I said, I got caught in the game. I was like, damn, wait. You know, I forgot. So that's why we end up getting on here late, because I was on their body and shit. You feel me? I'm trying to run up my kill death ratio right now. So let's get it. But like I said, it don't take long to do for this Forex shit though. You should be able to look at your charts in a few seconds, make a decision, and then wait. Other than that, I mean, you just pushing it. You know what I'm saying? The more shit you start adding into it, the more you scrutinizing and looking, and now you got to put on this set of goggles. Now you got to, and you done ran this thing through 1,000 different scopes, and it's really simple. You know what I'm saying? So keep it simple. What was that? KISS, right? Keep it simple, stupid. That's what they say, KISS. I don't know where the damn saying came from, but I remember hearing that saying before. You feel me? So for real, Let's get it. That's your boy Time out of here. Peace.